So today's the day. We're gonna let those chickens out into the world and we're gonna like, woohoo, freedom! Hey, well, you guys get to witness something brand new happen in the world of the chickens. 8 brand new lives, getting ready to go out into the world. And let's see what happens. I might need a stick. Let's move this trash can. And maybe I can scurry them over with my phone. Go, chickens, go! Get out of there! Go away! Go away, chickens! I'm on my hands and my knees, shooing them. All right, out you go, one at a time. Gotta toss them out the door. Whee! Come on now, they refuse. They're so not wanting to go outside. I'm physically having to toss them out, and you're gonna be you. You're gonna be you, huh? Not for much longer. Come here, you. Come on, you. Outside you go with your brothers and sisters. There you go. Well, no, go through there. Go through there. There you go. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe how hard it was to get chickens to go outside. That's insane. All right, well, now you know that. Now we just gotta let them do what they'll naturally do. See if they're smart enough to start pecking on that food down there. By the way, does anybody know it's like 112 degrees out here? Holy criminy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.